Introducing the all-new Hikvision ColorVu fixed bullet network camera, engineered to deliver unparalleled clarity and precision. Experience high-quality imaging with 2 megapixel resolution, ensuring crisp and clear footage at all times. Featuring efficient H.265+ compression technology, it ensures that your footage is not only crystal clear but also efficiently stored. With 130 decibel WDR technology, this camera delivers images with balanced exposure even in the uneven lighting conditions. With deep learning technology, the camera focuses on human and vehicle classification, providing you with precise alerts and reducing false alarms. With 24/7 colorful imaging, the camera ensures that your footage is always vibrant and detailed. It can be installed outdoors, in corridors, lobby, parking lot, kids zone, and many more. With Hikvision ColorVu fixed bullet network camera, see everything clear even in the dark.